Welcome back. Assuming that you are collecting a name and email address when a person makes a purchase to become part of your community, what you'll also want to do is to attempt to collect the email address of an individual that will be signing up for your community. Now, it is likely that the individual will unsubscribe from at least one of those email addresses. It would be your preference that they unsubscribe from the one that is least reliable or the one that they check infrequently. Zapier connects two cloud-based services that don't have direct integrations. And so in this case, we're going to connect our community with Zapier and then connect our email service provider to Zapier so that we'll be able to connect the two together. Now, assuming that you're building your community on a course platform like Teachable, you're going to need to first connect Teachable to Zapier. Zapier will ask you about the event that you're going to be doing. And in this case, we're going to say there's going to be a new enrollment in a specific course where you're having your community. And it's here where you're going to connect your Zapier account. Now, every community platform is going to be different in the way that Zapier connects to it. For Teachable, what you'll need to do is you'll need to put in your account email and your account password and your account subdomain. Again, this is going to be specific to Teachable. You'll have to determine what the integration will be for your community platform. Once you've made the connection, Zapier will ask you to test your trigger. What Zapier is doing is it's trying to get enrollment information so that you'll be able to make the connection between your community platform and your email service provider. Once you set up the trigger, which is going to be a new student or new student enrollment in your community platform, is you'll want to then make the connection to your autoresponder. And you'll need to connect your autoresponder in a way similar to the way that you connected your community platform. Now, in this case, we want the event to be that we're going to add or update a subscriber to a specific list. And so in Zapier, what we're going to do is we're going to map the fields so that every time this event happens, it's going to happen for every individual that's going to be enrolled in our community. So we have the list chosen. We then map the email. In this case, we're going to map the first name. And basically what we'll be doing is we will be setting this up so that the fields will be mapped for our specific autoresponder. So once the process is turned on, when an individual joins our community, we will then send a request to have that individual added to our email marketing list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.